welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to share with you how I create my own branding watermark on YouTube using Canva. First, we have to open the Google Chrome, and then from here, sa search bar, click Canva or type Canva. And then ayan na siya guys, click Canva. And then from here, you can create your own design. And then custom size. And then guys, ang pipiliin nating size ay 500 by 500 pixel. Ayan, click natin siya. Nandiyan na siya guys. And then from here, pili kayo ng elements. Guys, ang aking gagawing watermarks ay very simple. Ang point lang ng video na ito ay kung paano makapag-start gumawa ng sariling watermark. So, ang gagawin ko guys ay very simple na I think lahat ay masusundan. Okay, click elements and then gagawa tayo. Yung guys, background natin ay white for the basic. Pero you can always change the color if you like. Click right there if you want to change it into purple, dark purple, pink, orange, red, black, or gray, or whatever color guys you like. Pero dito sa ating tutorial na ito ay white ang ating gagamitin. And then guys, click ulit ng elements. And then, lalagyan ko siya guys ng US flag at saka ng Philippine flag. So, together siya. So, meron na dito. Click yung pre na American flag. Ayan. Pwede nyo siya guys i-adjust kung anong gustong position. Okay. And then, pwede nyo guys palakihin. Like that. Adjust. Okay. Let's say okay na yung American flag. Doon naman tayo sa Philippine flag. Right here. Okay. Sila guys, pag kukonektahin lang natin para mas mukha silang parang isang line lang or depende guys sa design ang gusto nyo. Okay guys, right there. Baba natin ng konti. And then palaki natin ng konti yung American flag. Okay. Yan. Okay. So you guys, you can always adjust right here if you like. Kung malaki, maliit, it's up to you. Nandito guys kung ano ang kung saan direction you gusto. Right or left or even kung gusto niyo isang upside down, it's up to you guys. Depende sa inyong design. Okay. Same thing with the other elements, guys. I think they're lined up. I think they look good. And then from here guys, this is very simple at ready to use. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is download. PNG suggested. Download guys. And then, yun na siya guys. Naka-download na siya. Pupuntahan nyo na lang siya sa recent or sa inyong documents or downloads kung saan man siya nandoon. Bahala na kayo guys kung saan nyo pwedeng kunin or kung saan nyo gustong kunin. And then, didiretso tayo kung paano siya ilagay sa ating YouTube channel. Okay guys, I'm back again and I'm assuming na nakalagin na tayo sa ating YouTube channel. Ang una natin gagawin ay i-click ang ating profile picture dito sa bandang kanan. Click from here and then go to YouTube Studio. Dito sa bandang kaliwa, click Customization. Click Branding. And then dito guys, pwede nyo palitan ang inyong profile picture, banner, image, at ito nga ang video watermark. Upload. And then from here guys, pwede nyo nang kunin or i-double click kung nasaan ang inyong final watermark. Ang akin guys ay nasa downloads, double click. And then ayan na guys siya. Click done. And then, yung display time, you can decide kung kailan nyo lang gusto makita ang inyong watermarks or watermark. Pwede siya sa end of video, custom start time, or enter video. Ako enter video, guys. And then, click publish. Click go to channel or viewer channel. And then, yun na siya, guys. Nandun na siya. Alright. I think that's all for today, guys. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!